Hey everybody, Anna here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the tail light bulbs in a 2011 to 2016 Honda CR-V. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the tail light bulbs in this 2015 CR-V LX. And procedures will be similar for a lot of CR-V models from 2011 to 2016, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the tailgate. The tail light assembly on this vehicle is in two sections, but to change the tail light bulb, you'll only need to remove the bottom one. Use your ratchet and 8mm socket to remove the two bolts securing the lower section of the assembly. Pull the assembly gently toward the rear of the vehicle to remove it. Changing the bulb will be easiest if you remove all the bulb sockets from the back of the assembly by turning each socket counterclockwise. Once the bulbs are removed, set the assembly aside. Pull gently on the taillight bulb to remove it from the socket. Now, press the new bulb firmly into the socket. Turn the lights on to make sure it's functioning properly. Shut the lights off and bring the taillight assembly back to where you can reinstall each of the bulbs by turning them clockwise to secure them in the assembly. Carefully slide the assembly back into place and make sure it's seated properly. Secure it by reinstalling the two bolts you removed earlier. Tail lights should be replaced in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. Close the tailgate. And that's it! You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.